We'll guide you through how to use the WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have the WooCommerce plugin installed and activated. Once you have that set up, navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click Add New and search for WooCommerce Subscriptions. Click Install Now and then Activate to enable the plugin. After activation, go to the WooCommerce settings by clicking on WooCommerce in the sidebar. Then select Settings and navigate to the Subscriptions tab. Here, you'll be able to configure your subscription settings like billing cycles, renewal notifications, and more. You can also set up payment gateways that support subscriptions such as PayPal or Stripe. Once your settings are configured, you can start creating subscription products. Go to Products and click Add New. Enter your product details such as name, description, and images. In the Product Data section, choose Simple Subscription or Variable Subscription based on your need. Set the subscription price, billing interval, and expiration if applicable. Make sure to save your product by clicking Publish. Your customers will now be able to subscribe to this product directly from your online store. You can manage all your subscriptions by going to WooCommerce, then Subscriptions, where you'll find a list of all active, pending, and expired subscriptions. This makes it easy to monitor and manage recurring payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.